everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have an Alina craft design team project for you guys, and it is featuring this rocking horse and the baby feet nesting square die. Really cute set of dies, especially this rocking horse. I absolutely love it. I also used a couple of other dies from Alina Craft. I did use 3 different bow dies, this 6-piece bow, this large and the smaller like heart border die, and then also these teeny tiny 7-piece butterfly bow die that I had gotten from her store, and then a couple of other dies from my stash. So let me go ahead and share with you guys the project that I created. So I started out cutting out this die, and first I had to separate this piece from this piece. So I did separate that, and then I did have to separate a piece from here because it was making an indentation in my paper. So that's why I have all this tape here, because I wanted to make a shaker, so I wanted to keep the dies in the right spot. So that's why I have all this tape, but this is such a fun die. So when you cut it out, this is the inner part right here, and so I've cut it out of cardstock, and just to make it nice and sturdy, 110-pound cardstock, the glitter paper, and then the foam. And the foam is at least a 3mm foam, so it's pretty thick. So and then I used one of the bows, those tiny bows from Alina Craft. And then so you can use the inner piece right here, which is just this part, okay, and it just cuts this out. So you can do that, or you can use this piece and also the pretty border, which in case see it comes off. I didn't separate this from this piece right here because I wanted to create a shaker. So when you make a shaker, it comes out like that. So you could use that decorative piece. And let me show you how I created the shaker. So I made this right here, and as you can see, it's basically this piece here that creates the shaker. And I didn't use the middle part. I basically just used this and put some acetate underneath this one. And then I also used that center piece, and then also the backing for the back. So, and then I put some sequins in there. Isn't this gorgeous? And then I put another little bow and an Alina Craft bling. So cute, and all the little pieces of I just made my own little sequins mix using a lot of the Alina Craft sequins, the alphabet sequins, and some from my own stash as well, just to match. So there's that. So like I said, you can use it in different ways depending on what layers you're using. So let me just show you then what I made after. So then I also used, well, let me also show you, I used the largest one right here. And again, you can make this into a frame. So I used the largest one and also this one here, the medium-sized one as well. And then I cut out the tiny one, but I ended up not using it, but I did cut it out as well. So I don't know where I put the piece. So anyway, I started out with making a card. So here is my card. So I just made a shaker like this in the pink, and then I put it on top of my card. And I used a tilde paper. It's a I took it out of my hoard vault. This is the it's called the Corner Shop by Tilda. It's this one right here. It's a really pretty Tilda paper pad, really cute. So I use that. So, and I also use some you know, plain pastel cardstock. And so again, I made a shaker, and here's that border, the baby's feet frame. And then this is a bow from my stash. Actually, this was gifted to me, I think, by Mimi. And then this is one of the ephemera pieces that you can pop out. And then as well as this one, but I had to kind of cut it down. And then I added some heart sequins from my stash. I think that's a Queen and Company, some bling from Alina Craft, and then this pretty Melissa Francis trim that I absolutely love using, and then also some of the pearls right here. And then I just added this tassel right here. I don't know yet if I'm gonna keep it right here, but for now I kind of just wanted something hanging. So that's how it is, and then the back just looks like that. And I haven't done anything on the inside yet because I don't know yet what this is, who this is going to go to. I mean, it can be for a baby birthday or baby shower. It just depends. So I don't have a sentiment inside yet. So anyway, I did that, and then I decided to create a tag. So I made also a tag. And I put one of my tassels, but as you can see, you can just use this one by itself. And then I just did some layering here with that baby feet. This is a paper tray ink, actually, die set. One of my favorite paper tray ink tags right here. And very, very simple. And here is that pretty bow from Alina Craft that is in her shop right now. This is one of her latest bow, and what I did was I just put some pom-poms on the inside here, and then also out here some bling. Just a really very, very simple tag. And then I decided to create a memory deck, so I also made a memory decks card. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And I used one of these bow dies. I can't remember where I got this one. It could have been from Hobby Lobby. But these for sure are from Hobby Lobby, these flowers. I put one there and put one here. And again, here's another rocking horse that I put together. And then I had this charm. This is an Alina Craft charm as well. It came in her charm lot that you can, you know, buy. It comes with a lot of different charms. So I used that, and I just hung that with 3 jump rings that I chained together, and then a brad to hold it. And then I put another ribbon or bow. That's another bow from Alina Craft. But then I stickled, and then I put another trim. So really, really cute. So there's my other one. And then I just made some simple. This is using again an Alina Craft bow die. So I just made a couple of. I think I did like 4 of them, just from my papers. I just wanted to see how they would look like, and I love the little heart embellishment in the middle. And this one is plain. I didn't do anything with that one. So that is my project share for today. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, check out this die. I absolutely love it. I don't have too many baby dies, and so this was really fun to have in my stash. And so now I can kind of build up some baby cards, and you know, just to have ready to go. So thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.